In this video, you will learn how to navigate through and complete our orientation section for using digital portfolios to foster student learning. So the first thing you want to do is log into coursesites.com, and remember your username is your Novell username with 2017. And then your password is going to be welcome1, all lowercase, with the number 1. Once you log in, you will be at your home page for the course. Then you want to go to Content. When you click on Content, you will see the different sessions for our course. We're going to first complete the orientation session. So we're going to click on the title, and that'll take us into what we need to complete. So the first thing here, we have some readings. There are 2 readings here with links. So if I click on Tips for Online Success, it's going to take me to read that article, and then I can close that article at the top to get to the next article. Then I have some guidelines here for how to participate in a fully online course and explore the course environment. And after that, it has Take a Survey. So you can click here to take the survey. It's going to take you to a survey page, and you want to fill this out. This will come directly to your instructor, and this will help myself navigate through what you need for this course. When I'm done with the survey, I can just close it out, and then it'll take me back here. If I ever get lost of where I am, I can always go back to Content, and again click on Orientation Session, and it'll take me back into the readings and the survey. Once I complete the survey, I need to complete a discussion board. There's 2 ways to get to the discussion board for this session. You can click on the title where it says Introduce Yourself, and that'll take you directly to the discussion board. Then all you need to do from here is to click on Create Thread. Once you create a thread, you will see here the directions of what you need to do again for this post. Your subject will be here, and since it's an orientation session, you can say hello from then your name or the school that you're at, and then you can go ahead and type in a message here. Since this is the orientation session and maybe I wanted to add a photo, you don't need to, but if you wanted to, you can just go ahead and right click in the box where you're typing. So I can type my information here. But if I wanted to add a picture, I can go ahead and right click my mouse, click on Image, and it's going to ask me, do I want to browse my computer? Click on Image. Do I want to browse my computer or browse content collection? I'm going to click on Browse my computer, and then it brings up my computer on the side. So from here, I can go ahead and find my photo. And maybe I wanted one of my son. I'm going to open it. And then it's going to be very big if it's a big picture. So over here you have some tabs. You can click on Appearance at the top, and then you can make it smaller. So once you make the dimensions or the pixels smaller, it'll be smaller on the screen. So you have to add here an image description and a title if you want to, and then click on Insert. Once you click Insert, you'll see the picture there, and then you can go ahead and complete this discussion and continue typing. Okay, so once you're done with the discussion board, you also have the ability to add attachments. You don't need any attachments for this session, but sessions as we go along, you're going to need to have some attachments, especially for the final project. So this is where you would add the attachments down here, browse my computer, and that'll bring up all of your drives. But I'm not going to add an attachment for the orientation session. I just wanted to add a picture and some information about myself. And then once I click Submit, it's going to be here as a thread. Okay, and you can see I'm the one here that added it. Hello from Monica is my title. So then as the threads come in, if I wanted to respond to somebody, I can click on the thread, read about it, and here's the reply button. I click reply and this will reply to that person's post. So that's how you are going to complete the discussion board. So again, you can get to the discussion boards from content. We're in the orientation session, and then if you click on introduce yourself, it'll take you into the discussion board. Or on the left hand side, you can click on discussions, and that'll take you into all the discussions up to session 2. We're working on introducing yourself. It's the only one you need to complete for the orientation session. So when I click on it, it's going to bring up again here my session board, and then I click create thread, and this is again where I would enter in my information. Okay, so that's how you would complete the orientation session discussion board. So if I want to get back to the content of the orientation session, I'm going to click on content on the left hand side, click on orientation session, and then again I'm here in the readings, the survey, and the introduce yourself. So once you complete those 3 things, you are done with the orientation session. You can go ahead and look at the technology preparation to make sure that you're ready for the course, but I am here to help you with that. And also, if you are using a school computer, then all of these things should be all ready and prepared for you. If you have any questions, always email me. That's the best way to get a hold of me throughout the day. Thank you and have a great orientation session, and see you online.